We're gonna see all the attractions that you can cover in one day at XCARET Mexico, and all you need to know in this video. So the booking process is fairly easy. All you have to do is just go to their website, xcaret.com, and then there are 3 different types of booking passes which you can do. We chose the XCARET PLUS, and that includes 1 buffet lunch, and you can have access to almost everything. Even the snorkeling equipment and everything is included in that. Wherever you stay in Cancun, they do have transportation facilities, but make sure you put that during your reservation. And we stayed in Hilton Cancun, and our pickup time was 7:20 a.m. and the bus was fairly on the dot, and it was very punctual. We reached the park at around 8:30 in the morning. And then the guide helped us out about how you can go around the park and what you need to do. Make sure to download their map and plan ahead of time, like where all you want to see, because that saves a lot of time, because it's a huge park. The park is marked with different color-coded lines. Just follow those lines to whichever areas of the attractions and the activities you want to do. There are 69 attractions mentioned in the map. Out of these, 20 spots are restaurants. So we are left out with 49 actual attractions that are divided into 6 zones: black, white, brown, red, blue and green. If you do not consider those activities that require separate tickets, then you're left out with just 35 attractions. I have written my entire plan in the description. Feel free to go ahead and read that. Stay along and see which are the attractions we are covering in one full day. Just look at the queue for all the RSV activities. So do all these online and save a lot of time. This is the starting point where 3 zones divide: black, white and brown. We chose to start our day by exploring few attractions in the black zone. You can even head straight to XCARET PLUS lockers, which are included in XCARET PLUS, to drop off your belongings. We're going through the jungle trail now, and the jungle trail has a 20-minute walk along the jungle, and in between you can just get down, and there is a raft which goes through the river, and it goes and takes you to an exit. So let's have a look at that. For those who do not want to get wet or swim in these crystal blue waters, then taking a raft will give a cinematic jungle-like feel. Wow, the sound of water with all the birds chirping as you go on the raft made me feel as though I was in one of the worlds of Indiana Jones.
Family, thank you so much. We reached the river.
Do not forget your sunglasses, a good footwear because you need to walk a lot, your swimwear, goggles, and everything you need. And the main thing which you should not forget is bottle of water, okay? Because that's going to cost you more if you're going to purchase it here. So water is allowed, so get that water bottle and stay hydrated throughout your entire journey in the park. XCARET has quite a few archaeological sites. These pre-Hispanic ruins holds more than 1,000 years of history. Did you know that XCARET was originally called Pole? I hope that pronunciation is correct. And it was used to be an important port and a ceremonial center. Well, I'm not going to bore you with history. Let's jump into the river now. We went to XCARET PLUS lockers to drop off our belongings. However, if you wish to complete the entire swim in the river, then it's easier to drop off your things in a bag that they offer with a lock at the life jacket collection point. You will get these bags near the river exit. They also give you fins if you want. These rivers were 7 to 8 feet deep, I would say. Even if you are not a great swimmer like me, you will enjoy it. There are safety ropes throughout the entire stretch that can be of help if you're not very comfortable swimming. From the first exit from River Azul, the snorkeling area Green 30 is close by. Since we were already wet, we decided to complete the snorkeling activity and enjoyed some views of the corals and fishes. I'm already here resting after the snorkeling and the underground river. Having fun? So we're gonna quickly change our clothes, and then once we're ready, we're just gonna come back to the beach area and then spend some time. Okay, we've changed. We then explored the attractions in the blue zone. The sea turtles were really huge. You also get to see tiny cute turtles. By the time we finished the blue zones, we were starving and started to continue on the black line as we headed to OAXACA, an international and Oaxacan buffet lunch. Along the line, we covered a lot of small attractions. The buffet includes one complimentary alcoholic drink and unlimited non-alcoholic beverages. I am a vegetarian and I was impressed with the variety they had. So next we're going to see a bat cave which is close by. Let's have a look. If you're still around watching this video, and if you're liking this video and if it's informative, please hit the subscribe button. That's going to help me a lot. The journey into the Mayan village took me back to pre-Hispanic times. You also see a lot of beautifully crafted artwork. It's definitely a good place to buy souvenirs. You get to witness the pre-Hispanic dance and drum rolls near the stage area.
programa especial ese día, el más mexicano de los deportes. Damos la bienvenida también a nuestro mariachi, River Mexico.
Please give it up for Mariachi, Viva Mexico! Here you will be able to appreciate the charrería, the most Mexican of all sports.
Y ya tenemos aquí a nuestras amazonas y nuestros sábados, el tradicional desfile de banderas, Riviera Maya y othe.
That completes the day. It's been an exciting day, which is very tiring, but it's worth the trip coming to XCARET. The last thing for the day is going to be the Spectacular show. I'll not be able to take a complete footage there, but I'm going to show you a few snippets of that. We're going to head to that, and after that, it's done for the day.